Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Zanita, and y'all, it has been so long since I've been in y'all screen. Y'all know life be lifing, but I am here today to try some of the new makeup that I got during the Sephora sale, and then some other stuff that I've just gotten along the way that I want to show you guys. So sit back, relax, grab your snack, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so for my base today, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blur Skin Tint. So when I initially picked this product, I got matched with the shade 16. I don't know why I let a Sephora employee play me like that, so I had to go back and get shade 19. But what I will do is maybe use 16 in the center of my face and then 19 around the perimeter. And then we just gonna try a few other things like the Haus eyeshadow palette. I've already primed my face with the Fresh Beauty. This is the Rich Itch Primer, and I'll show you guys a little more of it. If you follow me and you watch my shorts, then you've already seen me try this product. And y'all, this is a really nice primer, very smoothing, very hydrating, and it's just really nice. I really enjoy it. Center of my face, I am going to use a little bit of the One Size Secure the Sweat primer just in the center where I do get oily. I'm just going in next with my Haus brow nano pop, and this is in the shade dark brown, and I'm just gonna fix my brows. I had already kind of filled them in to go on a coffee run this morning, because it's just something about me leaving the house without brows that don't sit well with my spirit. So if I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna do my brows. But if y'all haven't seen this pencil before, this is what it looks like. Very small, has a very small, precise tip. I used to use the Huda brow pencil. I really love that one. If y'all remember, that honey was my jam, but it broke really easy. And I can say as small and as tiny as this pencil is, it doesn't really break. And I'm really like pressing into my brows kind of hard. I don't know what that is, but it works. It gives me the little hairs that I need because I don't have any. Clean up under my brows with my Tower 28 concealer. Y'all, if y'all have not tried this concealer, you need to get it now. Matter of fact, Sephora is having another sale this week until the 10th, and you can get 20% off on certain products, I believe, or maybe your whole purchase. So I highly recommend getting this product. So now that we got the brows done, I kind of want to go in with this product here. So once again, I am trying the Revolution Bright Light Face Glow, and this is in the shade Luminous Deep. I do have tan, but I believe tan is just way too light, so we're gonna go in with Deep. Now I believe this is a dupe. Yeah, like look at this doe foot applicator. This is definitely a dupe for the Halo Liquid Glow from Elle. So that's good. Now that's a good shade. Now see, they shade in Deep don't look too bright or too orange. It is a little deep though, but let's see, y'all. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. Okay. Oh, what is that? It's definitely giving liquid halo glow, and it's got like a very like lightweight, definitely not medium coverage. I don't know if you could build this up, but tell me what y'all think. Let's see, let's put a little bit more on here and see what we can do. See if we can cover that scar, although I am about to put on the skin. Definitely gives halo glow, and this is very natural, so I think if you just want a nice glow, you could wear this alone and kind of set it. So let's go in once again. We're gonna do the Eavesdrop Blur stick, and I'm gonna do 19. So if you guys, I'm sure y'all have seen a ton of reviews on this, and I know people had mixed reviews. At first I wasn't gonna try it, but then I'm like, I love Brianna, so let me just try this. But once again, this is shade 19. Now in the liquid I wear 20, but it is winter or colder outside and I haven't gotten a lot of sun, so y'all can see the differentiation between that liquid glow. So I probably could have got away with 10, but your girl ain't been getting no sun. But anyway, this is what this looks like. And you know, everybody was complaining like, oh, this is all you get, but you have to twist it all the way up. And they also recommend that you keep this little cap to keep it fresh or whatnot. Talking too much. All right, that's not a bad shade. Okay, and it's very creamy. And this halo or this luminous glow could have been the reason why. So we're gonna blend out 19 around the perimeter of my face once again. Oh good, because I was scared this wasn't gonna look right. But blending this out, you can tell that it's definitely lightweight because I can still see some of my scar in there. Definitely lightweight. This is definitely for my no makeup girlies, because this is very lightweight. It almost reminds me of the blurring balm from Danessa Myricks, but it melted into my skin. So let's try 16 in the center, because it is like a couple of shades lighter. We can use it as kind of like to brighten the center of my face, and maybe like a concealer. I think it'll be real good here. We'll use this concealer brush I got from the beauty supply store, and we'll just blend that up. Shade definitely looks better in the center of my face, and I'm just gonna take my brush that I used the other shade on and just go all over. But I am gonna put a little concealer on just to really cover up the darkness under there, since I didn't color correct. So I'm going in with that same Tower 28 concealer, which is Bay. I want this just a little brighter. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario concealer, and this is in the shade 420, and make it just a little brighter. Go in with the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm blush. Y'all know I couldn't go without using Danessa Myricks products. I absolutely love her products. So I'm going in with the shade Rose and Brunch, because I really wanted like a really natural shade, and this is what it looks like if you guys have not seen it. Very pretty. I highly recommend you guys trying her products. I hope this works for me because it looks real light. But we're just gonna take my brush here from Fenty Beauty and apply. Oh yes, that's like a real natural shade. Can y'all see that? I'm using natural lighting today from the window, so bear with me, y'all. Contour too, because I almost forgot. Y'all know I like to snatch it. So we're going in with Tower 28. This is in the shade Simon. I'm gonna use this powder puff, and I'm just gonna use for under my eye right now a little light layer of the LYS Beauty powder. Y'all know this is my fave. Look at it in the pan. This is the fave. Bake with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, or loose or yeah, Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Kunafa. I have fallen in love with this powder. I don't know why it took me so long. This shade is super yellow, so I do feel like maybe I should go back and get like the shade Blondie, just because this one is real yellow and it can kind of like alter the shade of my concealer. But look at that. It does have a scent to it if y'all have not tried it, but y'all, I don't know why I was so late to this. Ooh, honey. So next, let's hop into these eyeshadow palettes. OMG. So these are called the Neutrals by Lady Gaga, and it's volume 1 and volume 2. So once again, this is volume 1, the Neutrals, which I think this might be what we use today. And then volume 2, volume 2 is so gorge. Volume 2 is cute. So let's do volume 1. So let's see how we're gonna start with this shade here, or this shade in my crease. Just gonna tap. Okay, you do get some kickback. That's about the shade of the base. But we're going to see. Probably have to put that deeper shade in. So, okay. Well, it looks okay. So we're gonna go in from my Juvia's Place palette. Not saying nothing wrong with that. See, you can never go wrong with Juvia's Place. And we're gonna go in with that shade from Juvia's Place. I am gonna take this brown shade here and put it right here on the crease, or on the outer edge. Kind of deepen it up. Okay, now that works. Definitely works. Go back in with that kind of brick shade there and just go up right over there. Okay, so this is volume 2. So the shades are sort of similar on the end here. Yeah, they're sort of similar. Those mattes are, the shimmers are different. If y'all can see, the mattes are sort of similar. This does look like a more peachy shade, so I'm gonna take that and then just go right here in the center. Kind of give it like a nice neutral eye. But yeah, I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow palette. And I haven't heard anybody speak about it too. I mean, they okay. It's okay. But yeah, I don't know about it. I'm gonna have to try it again without the P. Louise base. This shimmer here, and put that all over the lid. It's kind of like the shimmer is giving me I don't know, I need to read about this because it's giving me kind of waxy. I don't know if y'all could like really see that. I don't know, and pressing the brush into it. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this palette, y'all. I don't know that I like that. Let me see if I can kind of save this a little bit with my Juvia's Place palette. Well, that's all we're gonna do for the eyes. I don't know how I feel about these. We're gonna have to try those again. All right, so let's go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna take this liner from Refy. This is in the shade Sepia, and we're just gonna line. I'm going in with the Sephora collection. This is in the shade 71. It's like a nude. I'm gonna take it in the center. I'm gonna use, this is just the Makeup by Mario soft blush, like pink, like lip all in the center. And then for the perimeter of my lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with this shade from Juvia's Place, and this is a chocolate drip to give it a gloss. I'm gonna take the Fenty mascara. This is the Cause I'm Black mascara, the hella thick. We're gonna use this. Some lower lash liner. I'm taking the Sephora Collection liner. This is in the shade Tiramisu, and it's like a brown liner. And y'all know I told y'all this is a really good liner. It's very creamy. Rest of my face with the Sephora Best Skin Ever in Mahogany. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use, this is Pat McGrath Bake and Snatch press powder from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Kunafa as well. And a lot of people had mixed reviews about this product as well. They claimed it to be like hydrating or whatnot, but whenever I've used it, because I've already used it, it didn't give me that. I definitely like the way it snatched, and people were like, oh, they just felt like it highlighted under the eye or hydrated under the eye, and it had like some type of shimmer in it, but mine doesn't have a shimmer. So we are going to set the face with LYS Natural Finish Setting Spray. This has become one of my absolute favorites. Alright y'all, so here is my final look. I did change my lip color to the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Fruit Snacks. I actually forgot I had this until I looked over in my Sephora bag, and it matches what I have on, so I love it. Now, as far as my thoughts on everything, the blur stick, I mean, I love the liquid Ease Dry from Fenty. Now I can say I use the shade 20 in that, which may be a little too warm, so maybe I need to go back to the shade 19. I do like the shade 19 in the stick, and it's very lightweight, very comfortable. The shade 16, once again, I will just use it in the center of my face, but overall I like how my face look. The Makeup Revolution Face Luminous Glow, or no, it's called Revolution Bright Light Face Glow. I actually like this, and I like how it didn't look so orange on me. It kind of pulled, like kind of neutral, kind of cool. I like that. So it worked really well with this blur stick. Now, as far as these eyeshadows, yeah, I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to try these once again. Like I said, maybe without the P. Louise base. I mean, my eyeshadow did turn out nice, but y'all saw I used Juvia's Place to kind of help it. But overall, it looks okay. I don't know how I feel about it, so I would definitely keep y'all up to date on that. But everything else, I like my base looks really good. That face glow from, or bright light face glow from Revolution definitely gave me a glow from within. Y'all saw how I powdered my face down, and it still gave me a nice glow from within, so I really liked it. But that's all I got for you guys. I will definitely be back with more videos, and if there's something that you guys want me to try or you're interested in, please let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.